Well, we had an absolute blast with Sid's family. It's pretty cool. Absolutely, just the nicest people. So it was good to like spend some time and actually get to know them a little bit better. But yeah, very cool. And yeah, we're just out here. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day out here. The people over there. Got the sheriff over there behind me. So yeah, we'll just have some fun. Unreal! You can go so fast! Oh, what an absolutely beautiful day, man. You gotta try it.
What? Do what?
Just going nuts. You know? You gotta try it.
like going like this?
Yeah, go nuts. You flip him off, you know?
Oh.
Try it.
Do it, he's fine.
Try it.
He's got a life vest.
Bet
Look
you
at the
can.
water.
I'm so conscious today. I'm not who I was a week ago. And I'm not who I will be.
You should go to Union Pier, that bar, that's Cyan Cross.
Yeah.
You saw yesterday.
Let's do that.
Alright, you keeping it?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Lead the way.
No, let's race.
Oh, bro.
You went for the gram.
Come on.
Well, there's all these boats in the way.
Just don't hit him, baby. Just go.
around and go.
I'm shocked though, like how glassy it looks, but how much you're still jumping.
Yeah, but it feels smooth.
Yeah,
It feels so smooth.
it's not choppy.
No, it's perfect. This is a perfect day on the lake.
You are, I feel like you are meant to be a jet ski like tour guide. For sure. That's part of your role.
Yeah,
Were you doing all that kind of stuff yesterday?
I was doing that kind of stuff.
It is. It is further. Okay.
Yeah, further.
Oh, no weed.
Yeah?
We're all the way.
Oh, that's the dunes. Yeah, we passed it. Yeah. No. We can't anchor anyway, without anchors.
Well, the beach had either here or the sandbar.
You want to try that? I think we should wait for the anchors.
Oh, you guys ordered anchors?
Nah, but we're about to.
Oh, this week.
Oh,
Yeah.
Be here for next week.
that'd be awesome.
Hey, there's some cinematic gold coming out of here.
It's a dream. You know, it's another simulation. That's what it is. Crazy.
Yeah, buddy.
And it's not a simulation, but
It might be.
saying if it is, they did a really good job.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll stay.
Simulation of the year.
You'll stay what?
Like, I'll stay in the simulation.
Simulation. I think this is just a precursor.
Do what's even better.
Yeah.
But first, heaven on earth.
We should go to Chicago.
Yeah, we should. I've had the thought. That's all I've been thinking about.
I don't have time.
Tie up.
Huh?
Tie up to each other. Whoa, shit, whoa.
This is pretty nice.
Thank you. They make like a little GPS wristwatch or something like that. A little
I'm
device.
sure they do. Why?
Want to get me one of them?
You want to what?
Get me one.
What? This is great camera work.
What do you want your GPS watch for?
Projects. And it's flat out here. It is really flat out here.
It is so flat out here.
I can't believe it.
Can you believe it? We are out here. We are out here. It is so nice. It is so nice. I can't.
There goes the mic.
It is so nice out here. I can't believe it. We are so lucky. Thank you, God. This is so nice. I'm gonna get, if they make a polarized lens for GoPros,
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
Gotta do it.
I don't know that this translates.
Yeah.
You know, on the GoPro lens. And I love GoPros, I think.
Now I yellowed it.
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
It's sweet actually. Look. Okay, watch before.
Ooh, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I think we made a good move buying these Yeskis. I don't sit like that. He actually told me on the way back.
For real. Hey.
It's a bro move. For sure, bro move.
I had to try it. You know?
Oh, so it ain't happening?
Oh, I mean, I don't know. It's okay. You're gonna keep it worse.
Let's do it. I'm getting hungry too, Sid.
I have some stipulations.
You driving me?
Yeah.
I know you can handle now what you can't, so we're good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Aww.
I'll go 5.
It's in your frame in the shot. The frame of the sunglasses?
Yeah.
No, not. I know you want the color, you know.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
It's so sweet.
Really?
Yes.
All right. I'll buy it.
If I go like this, it doesn't do anything.
That's because it's got stabilization.
Whoa.
Because otherwise, imagine the footage from like the jet ski. It would be like.
Yes. Whoa. That's
Not
cool.
me. Steady hand.
Let's see. It doesn't even.
Real time gimbal.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is just great.
So, fun fact. There's all this little floating stuff. Fun fact.
I love this. Did you see the video or your explanation of the engines, which was great?
Did you really?
Oh,
I'd be listening.
people commented.
They did? Do I have fans? They're like, give us more of her.
Yeah. All the comments are like, more commentary from Sid, please. I was surprised.
I'm not.
The one where Sid let him drive.
You can put that in like friends.
Look at the water. Look at the water. I mean, come on. Come on. Come on. Are we racing?